Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is mega bundle of photo effects template. Total size of this folder 10.2 GB, but don't worry, I will compress it in 3 parts. Okay, here is 21 different templates pack, but these files are protected password in this app. iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Here is a lifetime subscription. Join my Facebook page, and last is my Telegram page, Sheri official. I will provide every notification of video first here. Okay, here is 3D box mock-up templates. You can add one by one. For example, open this one. Now I need a photo. Double click here and red dresses. Open this one. Drag here. Enter Control S, and you see our photo is here now. So you can adjust your own choice. For example, I try again this one. Enter Control S. Oh, you can adjust. I tell you just for example. Okay, now here is 3D box again, but different templates. 4K guild scale photo effect. The single file 776 MB. Amazing. CMYK color and A4 size, like a Terminator effect. And here is a full HD. Open it, and here is a photo. Adjust your photo here like a PNG file. Press Ctrl S and see effect. Next is 13 long shadow photo collage. Abstract color art. Placeholder image. This one. Oh, sorry. Drag, enter, Control S. Wait. Amazing. Now same thing here, but here is a bundle. Black photo template, cinematic photo template, and here is instant film photo collage. Mood board. Here is a shadow of tree or some planet. Okay, use font file here. You can download on web. Here is paint your image here. Paper mockup. You can adjust your add here. Our photo. Your design here. Delete everyone. Curl. Here is my photo. Okay, drag here. Enter Control S. Oh, now photo album font link. These files are InDesign version 1, version 2, and here is a preview. Put your photography, write about yourself, your weeknight, your name, content, Norway, Moscow, Switzerland, Austria, London, France, Italy. I think Italy, I don't know. Okay, next is photo effect templates. Just import your photo, control as for saving. Here is a photo frame. I think I have already uploaded. Mini population photo, PSD photo. Here is a preview, like a passport. So simply you can edit all files in Photoshop and one photo album for InDesign. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Join my Facebook page and Telegram channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.